Hello. Hate to tell you this. I've had an accident while you've been out. I'm just gonna do the walk of shame. Hide. I hope they don't see the poo-poo.
What's that?
Oh no. Shh. She's seen it.
What is that?
It's poo-poo, Mummy. Come here, can I explain? Can I explain? I'll wag my tail. She'll go soft.
What is it?
I've just told you it's poo-poo. Best thing is, she's gonna have to pick it up. I can't.
What's this? What is this? What is this?
Poo in a bag? You think? She's gonna have to take that smelly poo outside. I'm so sorry. So sorry I pooed on your fireplace. I'll probably do it again, but I'm sorry. Kisses? Kisses? Mummy, please don't be mad at me. I've lost something.
What have you lost? What have you lost? Show me.
Follow me. It's under here. Under here.
What have you lost?
Just told you. Under here. Under here. Have a look. Have a look. Have a look.
What is it, Bertie?
I've lost something. Oh. I'm having a look at what? It's my ball. It's my squishy ball.
Here it is.
Thank you, Mummy. Happy dog now. Reunited with my trusted donut toy. It's only 99p from the pet shop. Absolute bargain, and I love it. So, my human friend thinks it's funny to hide my donut under the duvet. Not funny at all. I'll tell you what I'm going to do in a minute. I'm just going to rip the duvet cover because I'm getting bored of digging. This is hard work. This is hard work. Right. I think I'm going to have to go under the duvet to get my donut back. Either that or I'll rip it to shreds. Ha! Under I go. Where is it? I can smell it. Where is it? Ta-da! Thanks for watching, everybody. Really appreciate you visiting my channel. See you soon. Mwah!